Ooh! Here we go, full power. Wow, that was a nice shot. All right, what's up guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC. I don't have my cameraman today, but I actually wanted to make a video myself. Outcast 8S, last time I had it out, I took a side landing and I thought it was just an arm. And then as I started digging into it, I found more and more and more things. So what ended up happening was I broke an arm, I broke a hinge pin, I broke a C block, the diff case, the screws on the front here completely pulled out. So what I did is brand new diff case. I went with stock because I've never actually had a diff case fail. I know obviously they do because they're plastic, and I was able to get 2 for 30, so that was way cheaper than getting 80 or 100 plus for aluminum one. So a set of arms, I got the M2C C and D blocks, and then I had a set of M2C Monster outdrives. So I was like, well, I'll get into the diff. So I opened the diff and the gasket failed and there was hardly any oil in the thing. So I put in new oil, put in new gasket. So I basically rebuilt the entire back end of this truck. So let's see how it goes. And I actually don't know how this video is going to turn out because this GoPro mount is set up for my son. And kind of as I predicted would happen, he was really gung-ho about making videos and stuff. And now he's already seems like he's lost interest. So I'll be back to kind of what I originally said, is that I'm not gonna make a ton of videos, just when I feel like it. Like right now I kind of feel like it. It's been probably a month since I've made a video. And that's just how it's gonna go. If my older son actually wants to do it, I predict it's gonna be few and far between from him as well. And yeah, check out my new car I got. Nah, I'm just kidding, this isn't my car. Woo! Man, that thing's loud. They just repaved this whole parking lot. We haven't been here really much. Oh yeah, wheelie monster. Watch out, dude. It's kind of late. We don't normally come out this late at night, but I wanted to get out this weekend. We've been busy.
Dad, you made me drill.
All right, watch out. Once in a while, you just gotta have some RC time. Or at least that's what I say. Yeah, this truck behaves a little bit differently now that there's oil in the rear diff. Whoa! Outcast, baby. Oh, don't slip over. Dang, I flipped over. Sounds nuts on this pavement. Ooh! That's how I obliterated the side of it the first time. Whoa! Came down wrong and then just landed right on the side and destroyed stuff. Nice. Not much correction I had to do there. Woo! It's hard to jump a short course truck today, but a little bit of wind. We got the Synchro 4 over there, which I think we'll be using shortly. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. right, watch out, bud. Oh yeah, wheelie time. Here we go, full power. Wow, that was a nice jump. That was a big one. Whoa. All right, we took a little break there. I was talking to that guy and his kid. Meanwhile, the wing on the Outcast fell off. So we switched over to Synchro 4, running on 3S. I got a little bit more battery left in this thing, so I'm gonna take it easy without the wing. Gas! Ooh, good one. Yeah, this thing wants to pop up, and without a wing, it's gonna tear up the back of the body. So I'm gonna try to take it easy. Run out this battery pack. Gas. Ooh, sun is right in my face now. Poor ramps. This ramp specifically has seen better days. I don't like to use the KCRC ramp when I get the big trucks out. And then my wood ramp that I have, the big trucks really kind of destroy it. So it's kind of only been using these old school ramps, discount RC ramps, when I run my big trucks. Whoa, almost saved it. Oh, you did save it. Hey, you gotta get off the gas though when you hit the ground. Oh my gosh. That's it. I think that was LVC. Yeah, LVC. All right, I'm gonna ring it over. Whoa! All right, we're gonna keep running the Synchro. I might bust the Fury out, we'll see. But yeah, Outcast 8S performed awesome. I get such good air out of this thing. Having the wing break off was no big deal. That thing was about to go anyway. But looks like my repairs on the rear end seem like they're holding up. Got the fully M2C rear end on this thing now. And yeah, give it some more bashes as we go. This body is toast too, poor Outcast. All right, Great Lakes RC, catch you next time.